Recording stopped.
Thank you. I'm just a little, I don't want my videos being as open as I am about what I really believe get into the wrong hands. You never really know who's on these. That's just as bad as, don't even get me started on the back your Bill of Rights, because now you're actually a computer, because they injected you with nanobots. They changed your DNA at the DNA level. That's why it's an mRNA. You allowed them to do that for us and get us off the board. How are they going to get you off the board? If they can get you to sign a piece of paper, sign over all your wealth, keep it away from your family, so your family has to go to their flipping freaking 24, 15-minute flipping evil fucking cities, then they're gonna have no choice but to go there, right? They're gonna take all of our property away. They're gonna take all of our rights away, except for God. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. I wanted to open it up for questions, guys, because it's very messy out there. The other intel providers that don't understand our strategies are making it even messier. I apologize, but they are. They're making it messier. But we can do this. You've got me every day. You've got me every morning to give me the tips and tricks. You can get in the chat and ask me. A financial advisor. Well, you got to financial advisor. I think you're going to have the cheapest financial advisor on the planet. God said to double my prices, so it might be a little more expensive, but just stick with me. Because why? The problem with this kind of advice, this book was published in 2015. None of this was going down. Right? Now that everything's going down, you're going to need a financial advisor that's tapped in. So just consider. I heard a prophet say the other day that the people of God will get the spoils of war in 2024. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. The spoils